Darlene here from Darlene's Garden. Today's video is going to be just a wee bit different than any that I've done for you before. I'm going to let you know up front, I need tons and tons of practice. So this is very rough, very non-practiced, but I wanted to share my sitting down at my piano and playing a few holiday Christmas songs out of my hymnal. And forewarning, unpracticed, very rough, but I wanted to share with you anyway. So I don't have to be perfect. I just need to share from my heart, like the Bible says, or maybe it's a song. Anyway, make a joyful noise unto, it is in the Psalms, make a joyful noise unto the Lord. And my unpracticed piano playing is probably just a noise, but I'm sharing it with you, and I'm playing it for the Lord. And second point, my piano is somewhat out of tune, and you'll notice that as I'm playing too. There are a few notes that are just, which actually makes it harder to play the songs because my ears don't correspond exactly with what my fingers are doing. And I know that it's improper to apologize. So I will stop rambling on about how rough it is and just get on with sharing with you. Well, that's it for today. I could sit and play for hours, but I know you won't listen for hours. So I'll stop right where, I'll stop while I'm ahead, or maybe I'm not ahead, maybe I'm behind, but I'm stopping. I just want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please share so that my channel continues to grow. And hit that like button, even if you didn't like it. If it was hard on your ears, press like anyway. And I will see you on the next video. Until then, may the good Lord richly bless you.